Hello friends, myself A.K. Grual. I'm Professor of Physics. I will teach you today the application of dimensional formula. In the previous units we discussed the homogeneity of the equations. Now we will discuss about the conversion of units. Any physical quantity, as we know, required two things for its expression. One of its numerical value and the other is units. So suppose if I will just consider two sets of units. Suppose I am taking one set as SI unit, like international unit system, that is meter, kilogram, second system, and another one is CGS system, like centimeter, gram, second system. So when we considered different, if I will consider the different unit for base quantity, all derived quantities have different units in different base systems. So one base system, how many units of one base system is equals to how many units of the second base system is defined in this conversion of units. By this way you can equate two systems, two base unit systems. So for that, what you have to do, suppose I am just taking an example, the SI unit of pressure is Pascal. As I have told you, SI system, which is meter, kilogram, second system. Now if I will convert, I am taking another unit system like CGS system, then what is the unit of pressure in that system, in CGS system? Suppose in CGS system the unit of pressure is 1 CGS unit. So 1 Pascal is how many units of CGS system, CGS unit? We have to find out 1 Pascal is how many CGS unit of system, because I am considering two system here. One is SI system, another one is CGS system. How we can get this? For this we have to proceed. First of all, I have to write down the formula for pressure, that is pressure equals to force upon area. Then I have to find out the dimensional formula for pressure, dimensional formula for pressure. For that I have to write down the dimension of force, then area, and from that I will get ml minus 1 t minus 2. You have to remember this too also, because when you are going to dimensional system you have to find out the dimension of pressure, that is ml minus 1 t minus 2. Clearly for m stands here for mass, l for length, t for time. So if I will take into account of this, any physical quantity, one more thing is there. Well, any physical quantity, any derived quantity requires two things: numerical value and the units. And the product of numerical value and the units will be constant. So what you have to do, you have to equate these two. u1 should be equals to n2 u2. This is the unit system in the first system, and u2 is the unit in the second system that I have considered. So I have to find out what is the numerical value, that is also called conversion ratio. So I have to find out the value of n2 in the second unit system. So the n2 should be defined as n1 and u1 upon u2, unit system u1 by u2. For that I have to write down like this: n2 equals to n1, this is m1 upon m2 to the power, this is power 1 as dimension here, and L1 divided by L2 power minus 1, T1 divided by T2 power minus 2. Now I have to write down the units, that base unit, as we studied earlier. For this N2, what is the N1? What is the numbers in the numerical value of pressure in the first unit system? That is 1. I have considered this 1. So I have to write down 1 here. I can change it also. I can take any of the value, 5, 6, whatever it is given. Now what is the value of M1, that will be 1 kg in the SI system. So I have to write down 1 kg. For M2, in the second unit system, in CGS system, it is 1 gram. So I have to write down 1 gram and the power is 1. Similarly, for length, I have to write down 1 meter. For L2, it is 1 centimeter, power minus 1, and T1, 1 second, T2 is 1 second, then the power is minus 2. So, I think you got the point. N2 will be given by N1 and U1 by U2, and you have to put the base units U1 and U2 properly so that you can find the relations. Now, what is 1 kg and what is the relation between 1 kg and 1 gram? Clearly, 1 kg equals to 10 to the power 3 grams. So, if you cancel out the grams, you can get 10 to the power 3. So, it will be 10 to the power 3. For meter, it is 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 2 and power minus 1, and this is 1 to the power minus 2. So, by solving this, you can get 10. So, the numerical value or the conversion unit here is 10. So, you can say the numerical value of 1 Pascal will be equals to this. For this, you can write 10 CGS unit. So, in this way, you can convert a 1 unit system into another. Thank you.